Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Ghazal Gone और आज हूँ मैं अपने देश स्वदेश में. Right now I am in Kochi, Kerala and I am hell excited. I'm running late as usual and we are planning today to go to Alleppey backwaters and hell excited about it. From here the journey is all around 1 hours and 30 minutes but on the way जो हम मज़े करने वाले हैं, हम 6-7 जन जा रहे हैं साथ में. नीचे जाके स्टेटस पता चलेगा कौन उठा है कौन नहीं उठा है. एंड मेरी कार आ चुकी है. मुझे होटल रिसेप्शन का कॉल आया कि आपकी कार आ चुकी है मैम, प्लीज़ आप नीचे आ जाओ. सो आई एम रनिंग बिफोर अ फर्दर डिले बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेक अ मोस्ट ऑफ दिस डे. और उसके बाद आने के बाद मुझे ग्रॉसरी की लिस्ट भी तो पूरी करनी है ना लोगों की, वो भी तो करना है. चलो ट्रेलर बजाते हैं और भागते हैं. काल्टी काल्टी. The speech. This is vlogging. Meet Max and meet Shikazada. Shakizada. She is from Abdul Razik's place, by the way, just to let you know. And Max, can you please tell where you're from?
I'm from Serbia.
And we are on time. Actually, we are also late. I'm also late. But we're waiting for 2 more people. Our cab is ready. And once they come, we're gonna ma-salama. Let's go, jaldi Allah. Making all the arrangements to get inside Innova because we are 5 of us. Arbaz, you haven't said hi to the vlog. And Han, please tell where you're from.
I'm from Thailand.
And we are super excited. I don't know, for some reason we're just on another level right now. And adjustments done. I'm gonna sit in the front because I have to record good view for you all, na? That's why. Because we have not eaten, so if we can just go and have breakfast and say hi to them. So we will go. Thank you so much. So we will go and eat something towards outer of the city area.
Okay.
And on the way only, like no need to go different way. On the way itself, I'm sure we will find something. And yeah, I will just keep telling you. But eat first temple, and then go to Alleppey backwaters. Okay. Thank you. I'm the tour guide sir today. Thank you. What do you feel about this trip though? What is this Bixby woman? Yeah.
Excited.
Excited. How about you, Shiki?
Same.
Excited. Find a new word, Max. Max.
Also.
Today. Arbaz.
I'm so excited to get Indian vibes.
I know.
Oh, in general.
Home is home. How about you, Max? Did you figure out the Oxford Dictionary?
Yeah. I feel blessed that I'm here today.
I know you're blessed that you're flying with me.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very difficult step to do. I just hope I don't get copyright on this. Half of my brain is wondering it's not a copyright. Shiki, can you sing for the Indian audience? The same.
Boom bachale.
And the Ashiki song which you were singing before.
Which one?
The Ashiki. Hum Tere Bin.
Oh. Hum tere bina habare nahi sakte tere bina kya baju jo mera.
Go Kazakhstan! Amazing. See, wherever, like, I don't know how far our songs are reaching. I think she knows the better lyrics than us. Right, Kovalam Beach. I've been there many times. So we're just trying to promote our incredible India to our non-Indian crew. And अभी हमारा Alleppey दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ से around 30 मिनट और. तो बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू है. हम enjoy करते हुए जा रहे हैं. और हमने अपने breakfast के plan में थोड़ा सा change किया है. That we're gonna eat there itself because we have to figure out boat का क्या scene है, कौन सा करना है. We had no idea. And we're promoting our Indian movies. Arbaz is promoting Bahubali. He is showing all the maps as well. I don't know that where are we right now? How far is Sri Lanka? हम कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ रहे भाई अब इंडिया को प्रमोट करने के लिए, है ना? थोड़ा सा इतना तो देशवाद बनता है हमारा. मेजर इंडियन वाइब. सामने देखो सिलेंडर की गाड़ी दिखा आपको. इंडक्शन पे खाना बना के दिमाग की झंड हो चुकी है. सिलेंडर देख के फुल इंडियन ऐसे लखनऊ की याद आ रही है मुझे. I miss home, man. I think I need to go home now. हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट पहुँच गए हैं, but there is a little bit of confusion कि shall we be taking the motorboat or the houseboat? Okay, so we have come to the houseboat. We're going to check out the time and place and how it is, and then we make our decision. मम्मी, अरे एक मिनट चार्जिंग तो निकाल लूँ मैं. You took his number ना Arbaz. I think 2 hours something.
ചേട്ടനോട് ചേർത്ത് പറയത്തുള്ളൂ.
Okay, all right, let's go. So we're going to check out. Thank you. Thank you. Please make sure that my vlog gets
Definitely, if you're seeing my boat, definitely you choose only that one.
All right, okay, let's go and check. Where are our colleagues gone? Hey, where are they? Acha. I thought, where are you guys gone, man? Let's go. Kerala lives in Doha. So we call it UK, United Kerala.
Kerala people who from the Malabar side,
Yeah.
they are living in Doha and Qatar, UAE,
Yeah.
everywhere.
Actually, yeah. I feel like the Middle East is all colonized by us. So now we're gonna get inside and take a tour of this beautiful houseboat. And if we like it, and then we decide. Mummy, I know, babe. I'm just scared to. Oh, mummy. Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, VIP.
VIP. 2 bedrooms and all. Okay. Acha. Okay.
Guys, you can sleep here.
And this is the toilet.
Okay.
Attached
Oh. You're trying your best. Acha. Okay.
Just check from booking.com, TripAdvisor reviews. We can see that.
Okay.
My rating.
We have promised our colleagues that we will get some discount for you. And if you're not giving
Sorry,
any discount-
actually she said I am a blogger. So that's why I'm asking this price. It is very reasonable.
Oh, my vlogging is paying off finally somewhere at least. Usually it doesn't.
You can say 15,000.
Then we
Okay.
will start it.
All right, okay. And by the time Arbaz call our driver, sir, and we tell him that we already booked the boat for 2.5 hours and we're gonna. We'll be back. What's the time right now? उसको 4:15 बोलो. 4:15 सही. अरे वो अपना खाएंगे पिएंगे तब तक. अरबाज, हमने अपनी बार्गेनिंग स्किल्स दिखाई है भाई. 500 रुपये तो करा ही दिया हमने मजाक में. I know, let's go. So guys, we have finally got this boat for all of us in 11,000 बोला और अरबाज और मैंने मिलके उसको 10,500 कराया. And it is all for us for 2.5 hours. You saw few glimpses of shit. नहीं बोल ना तो बोल.
It's okay.
No, it's just that we're just figuring out because they only take cash payment, and of course we don't carry like so much of cash, so we kind of like concrete, but still we're short on 2,500. He tried doing Google Pay, but then they're more secure, feeling more secure with cash payment. So that's what we're talking, like it's better that they get onto card payments mode because it's a tourist place. And it's gonna cause trouble to the tourists if they don't take card payments. Right now, I am finally going to give you a proper boat tour on my channel. I'm so excited about it. But before I go on further, it includes a lunch, and the whole boat is gonna be ours for good 2.5 to 3 hours. And let's see how the experience is gonna be. But we are hell excited to show you the boat. And here we go. guess my words will not be enough if I describe you how serene this boat is and this place is, and away from Doha it feels so relaxing, and I think it's worth going to a shopping mall. I mean, it's worth coming here than going to shopping mall, because I was trying to tell all my colleagues to come here and experience this because I've been craving for it since. इतना realistic है और लोग इतने प्यारे हैं यहाँ पे, and I'm just loving every part of it, and just feeling accomplished that I did something. I traveled, I explored, and I'm having too much more than fun, just peace. Sometimes that's important more than anything else. फाइनली अभी हम लोग सेलिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग स्टेबलाइज हो गए हैं जस्ट इन बिटवीन नो वेयर एक्चुअली, और हमारा लंच लग रहा है बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट ईटन एनीथिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग, सो वी काइंड ऑफ स्टार्विंग, और ये सारे ऊपर जा चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, मैं नीचे थोड़ा पानी इंजॉय कर रही थी. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल एंड once in a lifetime experience, guys. You have to bring your parents or your beloveds here to get this kind of nature exposure experience. I mean, nature is capable of healing anything, and we all need this, we all do. And here we are ready with the lunch, some seafood and some vegetarian. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And no more vlogging, I'm just gonna eat. I'm really hungry. चार्जिंग पे लगाया जाए कैमरे को भी. अरे आपने खाने का नहीं बनाया, मैंने कहा बनाया है भाई. सब मैं ही करूँगी तो फूड ब्लॉगर क्या करेंगे, सब ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर ही कर रहे हैं. यू सी नाउ वी हैव अ कौवा अटैक हियर. What the hell? This one is not going. Go closer. Go closer. Max, don't throw anything. Oh my god. All clicking picture, and after the crow attack, Max is still working on the food. Like, you know, before the crow takes it, you should. अरबाज, तूने बहुत सही चीज़ दिखाई है मुझे अभी. मैं सच में आपको एक चीज़ दिखाऊँ. इस बोट के ऊपर हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं अभी ऑलमोस्ट, और आपको ये दिख रहा है, दिस इज़ अ सोलर पैनल. सो बेसिकली दे आर यूजिंग अ सोलर एनर्जी. ये देखो, दिखा, ये है. दे आर यूजिंग दिस पैनल टू एक्टिवेट द इंजन, एंड दे आर यूजिंग द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज टू रन दिस हाउस डैम बोट in this beautiful nature. And look at these girls are already lazing and lying around. वैसे तो मैक्स तो इसी पोजीशन में ही दिखा है आपको पूरे व्लॉग में, बट these girls are also falling on the same track. और हमारा हाउस बोट का सफ़र ख़त्म हो गया है, and we are leaving from this beautiful. मन तो नहीं कर रहा है बट जाना पड़ रहा है. Right guys, because we had an amazing experience, I want you to know this place so that you can also explore this place by yourself, and he will continue further on. Please talk.
My name is Vineet. So actually we have a three quality of boats. One is a deluxe and premium and luxurious.
Okay.
So it's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and we have 5 bedroom. And these are our luxury 5 bedroom houseboats.
Okay. Perfect. And how can they find you in Alleppey?
So you can search from the Google, why not houseboats?
Why not houseboats?
And you can see booking.com reviews, TripAdvisor reviews, Google reviews, everything you can see.
Amazing. Thank you so much for this
Okay, I
trip.
think you got a great experience, right?
We had good time. Thank
Okay.
you so
See you
much.
next time. Okay.
Thank you. Thank
If
you.
come next time, come with overnight trip. Okay?
We will. We
Okay.
will. Bye bye. आई डोंट नो आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं, बट एक तीर से दो निशाने. हमने मंदिर का एड्रेस, सत्तू की मलयालम वर्जन सब पूछ के पता कर लिया. भैया को हिंदी आती है और हम इसी में खुश हो जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑलवेज से ट्रैवल ब्रिंग्स यू लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर, सो यू शुड ट्रैवल व्हेनेवर यू गेट चांस. Alright guys, so we are back to the hotel and we did a lot of grocery and pharmacy stuff. The temple could not be done this time because it was quite far and there was so much traffic. But we had an amazing time today, right then? And I hope you did enjoy this vlog today. Half of our colleagues are gone already because we almost forgot that the vlog is going on. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and shower a lot of love like you are doing. And don't forget to follow me on my Big Boss reality show review. The playlist is right there. And lots of love, travel vlogs. Ciao, hasta la vista, take care, bye. एक नंबर सर, एक नंबर.